Hi, what is up guys? In this video, you are going to learn about the 5 must-read self-growth books that will teach you that you are in control of your mindset and how changing your self-image will help in changing your current behaviors and habits. Let's get into it. Hi and welcome back. If this is your first time, I'm Merlyn Avila and I am a self-growth coach. I've been studying the law of attraction and helping people change their mindset since 2015, and on my channel you'll learn what it takes to become the successful version of yourself and the techniques that will help you get there faster. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I do want to start off by saying that in order to get any results in your life after reading these books, or any book for that matter, you must take action and be in the right mindset. Don't expect for your life to change if you just sit all day and do nothing to help you get what you are seeking. I personally love to collect books, and it is kind of an addiction if we are being honest, but you can also find all these books in audio format if that is your thing. At number 1, I have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book had the biggest impact in my life, and I credit it with changing my negative mentality into a positive one. There are different versions of this book. I bought this one from Amazon, so just make sure that it has the unedited version on it. It has 381 pages, but believe me when I tell you that once you start, your energy starts to flow and you won't want to put it down. In this book, Napoleon Hill talks about some of the most successful people who had such a big impact in the way we live our lives today, and he explains that they all have one thing in common: their control of their mindsets and how fear doesn't let paralyze them. He teaches you the success formula that if you follow yourself, you can also change your mindset. The second book is U Squared by Price Pritchett. Okay guys, this book is only 38 pages long, but it is one of the most powerful growth books in the market, so don't let the size fool you. This book teaches you about the quantum leap, which in simple terms means that when you set a goal, it is extremely important to know the end goal, visualize the end results, and know for a fact that it will happen. Don't worry about how it will happen, just know that it will. The author encourages you to stop being afraid and stop overthinking and just take the leap, and the results will follow. When I was reading this book, actually, I was working as an office production assistant on a TV show, and the show was getting ready to wrap and go into post-production. Out of nowhere, the writer's assistant came up to me and asked if I wanted to take over her job, which is crazy because usually it takes anyone up to 3 to 4 years to get to that position, and it happened to me within a year. Again, and I can't stress enough, you have to take action. I was working on myself and applying what I was learning from the book. You won't see results unless you take action and apply what you are learning. Again, and I can't stress this enough, you have to take action. I was working on myself and applying what I was learning from the books. You won't see results unless you take action and apply what you are learning. And number 3, Creative Visualization by Shakti, Gawain. This book is less than 200 pages, and one of the keys to manifesting anything you want into your life is by visualizing. Create a mental picture of what you want and seeing it already becoming reality. This book teaches you what visualization is and how to apply it. I highly recommend this book if you are starting off or if you want to understand what visualization is and how it works. If you do research on successful people, I can guarantee a high percentage have visualized their success and everything they have into their lives. Number 4, Relentless by Tim S. Grover. Tim Grover was one of the mental and physical coaches that was hired by both Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, to help them get to a mental state that not many have achieved. In this book, he teaches you the same formula he used not only to train them and other top athletes to reach a level where fear is non-existent and use their minds to their full potential. I'm not an athlete and I've never been, but when I read this book, I noticed my discipline began to change drastically. I began to wake up at 3:30 in the morning every day. I had more energy and I was working out every day after a 12-hour shift. So study the greats and adapt your discipline into your life, and you will begin to attract things that you previously thought were impossible. The 5th must-read book is Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz. I have one of the original prints from 1977 because it is part of my collection, but the new versions have all the same information. This book breaks down exactly how the mind works in regards to forming habits, how to change them, and how changing your own self-image, which is the way you view yourself, will change the way you think and your current behaviors that haven't gotten you any results until now. What I really like is that he uses a lot of studies to show the results that are possible if you apply what he teaches you. There you have it, guys. Those are the 5 books that have had the most impact in my life, and I continue to read them over and over again because I continue to get value out of them. So make sure you read them. Make sure that you guys actually take action and follow the steps that they give you, and you will see results. I guarantee that, you guys. I just by experience, and I know a lot of other people who've read these books and have also seen results. So it's up to you guys. Make sure you guys check these out and begin to change your mindset today. Begin to live that life that you've been dreaming of and that you've been wanting. Make sure you hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more self-growth content. See you on my next video.